Of the 100 units of work you were handed, roughly 20 is only I can do this, requires my thinking, my judgment. 80 is AI can handle it. If you can't draw that line cleanly, deliberately, you're stuck. This drawing the line move is, I believe, the single most important skill in the AI era. Point 3, where the line comes from, Ronten thinking. That line, the 20 to 80 line, is exactly where Ronten issue-based thinking connects. Structure any piece of work into 3 layers. The question, the Ronten, the real issue to solve. The tasks that solve it, the answer that emerges. There's a line running through this stack. Things AI can do, things AI absolutely must not touch. Ronten thinking is what lets you see that line. Point 4, the Hakata trip example, where people go wrong. Say 3 of you decide on a trip to Hakata, Fukuoka, and you get stuck being the organizer. The temptation is immediate. Fire up generative AI, type, 3 of us are going to Fukuoka, where should we go? That is exactly the move that kills the output, because you just handed AI the part it must not do. The question itself, the Ronten itself, you outsource not the tasks, you outsource the framing. You felt this. The output comes back and it's fine, technically correct, but hollow. Yeah, sure, but that's not it. So the Ronten, what do I actually want to know? You don't get to skip that. Now compare. If instead you ask, our first choice is Ichiran, the cult Fukuoka ramen chain. If Ichiran has a 30-plus minute line, what's a walkable backup within 5 minutes? Suddenly the answer comes back sharp, because you did the Ronten work first. AI just filled in the task. Point 5, the advice for you this morning. Here's the advice, only for the people listening this morning. Today, at least once, try to say the line, I had AI do this, I'll have AI do the rest. The moment you try, something will happen inside you. You'll think, wait, if I say this out loud, they're going to think I'm doing nothing. Your emotion will get scratchy, uncomfortable. That scratch is the important evolution. Don't run from it, sit in it. The way to make that scratch disappear is not by hiding your AI use, it's by upgrading the 20. Take the 20 that only you can do and pour 100 units of energy and time into that 20. Once you're doing that, saying the line becomes easy, even satisfying. I had AI do this, I'll have AI do the rest, and here's what I actually did with the time I got back. Point 6, what's coming for the consulting industry? This whole flow is hitting the consulting industry directly right now, and it's accelerating. The client is already saying, wait, couldn't we just do this with AI? We're in the transition window where consultants who are quietly using AI and hiding it are getting exposed, and from here the world shifts to, please only do the things that only you humans can do, which means you can raise your rates, but we need fewer of your people because the AI replaceable people are dead weight, which means inside consulting firms, the hands and feet, everyone below manager level, the tier that used to run the tasks, their value collapses. The traditional consulting pyramid inverts. Wide base of juniors gets replaced by a narrow inverted pyramid. A few senior thinkers at the top holding real Ronten value, thin below. Point 7, your daily self-check. So consultants, of course, but every business person, and yes, you, have to ask yourselves this question every single day. Today, sometime today, try it. I had AI do this. I'll have AI do the rest. If you can say it, if you can work in a way where you actually deserve to say it, we don't lose. Not to this AI monster, not to any of them. Point 8, if you want to learn the 20, one book. If you want to actually learn Ronten thinking, the 20 that only you can do, that only you generate value with, I recommend one book. Are your lights on? The Problem Behind the Problem, by Donald Goss and Gerald Weinberg, published in 1987. It's beyond a classic. Inside consulting, there's a saying, if you haven't read this book, you're not really in the game. I mean it. This book, more than my own book, more than any other book, is the one. That's it for today. I had AI do this, the 20 to 80 line that decides your next 10 years. Comment below. What's the first thing you're going to hand to AI today so you can say the line? And if you're ever in Roppongi, Tokyo, let's grab a beer. See you.